Hello viewers, welcome back to TriStar channel. This video is all about the exam analysis of IBPS Clerk Prelims which was held on 5th of December. So there were totally 4 slots held on that particular day. In this video we are going to see about the first slot of the IBPS Clerk 2020 Prelims exam that was conducted on 5th of December 2020. So, this year, the difficulty level of the paper of IBPS Clerk 2020 prelims was easy when compared to the last year. There were many new type of questions introduced in the reasoning and English section. IBPS Clerk pre-exam had 3 sections in the objective test comprising of 100 questions which should be solved in 60 minutes. They are reasoning ability, numerical ability and the English language. So now here comes the overall analysis, that is the good attempts can be done in the IBPS Clerk Prelims examination. So in the 3 sections, the first section is the reasoning ability. In reasoning ability, from 27 to 30 good attempts can be made, and in the English language 21 to 23 good attempts can be made. The third one is the numerical ability. In numerical ability 24 to 27 good attempts can be made. So the average number of good attempts are from 74 to 80. So the overall the level of the exam can be considered as easy. So now let us look at the analysis of numerical ability. In this section totally they had 35 questions. DI questions are based on the line graph in this slot. Topic is based on the data of photos and videos. Then arithmetic questions are asked from SI and CI, profit and loss, train, mensuration, boat and stream, age, etc. The quantitative aptitude questions asked were the topic from data interpretation, that is line graph. 5 questions were asked. So the level of the exam, the level of the questions was easy. The next topic is approximation. From the approximation, number of questions were asked were 5. So the level of the questions were easy. The third one is the simplification. From simplification alone, they asked 13 questions. So all the 13 questions are somewhat easy. The fourth one is quadratic equation. From quadratic equation, totally there were 5 questions. Number of questions were 5 and the level of questions was easy. The last one is the arithmetic. From arithmetic 7 to 8 questions were asked. So the level of the arithmetic questions were easy as well as moderate. So the total number of questions was 35 totally. So the level of the questions was easy. So our next analysis is English language. In this section had 13 questions and the overall difficulty of this level was easy. So they asked one set of reading comprehension with 7 questions, out of which 2 questions were identifying the synonyms and 1 was the antonym, that is the meaning and the opposites. The passage of the reading comprehension was based on an article related to obesity and sleep. So the most of the questions asked from word swap, phrase correction and error detection. There are also 5 questions of clause test and the clause test is based on music and instruments. So now let us look at each topic, the number of questions asked. The first topic is the reading comprehension, that is the topic is obesity and sleep. The number of questions asked were 7 and the level of the questions was easy. The next comes the word swap. From word swap the number of questions were asked is 5. It is from easy to the level of the questions were easy to moderate. The third question is the rearrangement of sentences. So they were asked 3 questions and the level of the questions were easy. The fourth one is the phrase correction. That is number of questions were asked is 5 and the level of the questions was easy. The next comes the error detection. So number of questions asked were 5 and the level of the questions was easy. Next comes the clause test. The number of questions asked were 5 and the level of the questions was easy to moderate. So totally there were 30 questions asked and the level of difficulty was easy. Next, we are going to see the analysis of reasoning aptitude. The level of reasoning aptitude was easy to moderate. 4 puzzles and seating arrangement questions were asked in the exam. Questions from uncertain number of people in a line were 5, which were of moderate level. The question of puzzle type were increased from 3 to 4 this year. The topic of order ranking sequence covered 3 questions. So the following were the types of puzzle and seating arrangement asked in the exam. The first one is a sequence puzzle. Arrange 8 members based on weight. The second one is the 8th floor puzzle. The third one is a month-based puzzle, that is 2 days and 4 months. And the last one is a year-based puzzle. Now let us look at the number of questions asked in each topic. The first one is the puzzles and seating arrangements. In puzzles and seating arrangements, there were 20 questions asked and all the 20 questions were moderate. The next topic is the syllogism. From syllogism, there are a number of questions were asked were 3 and the level of the questions were easy. The third one is the order ranking and sequence. From order ranking and sequence, there were 3 questions asked and the level of those questions were easy. The next topic is series. 4 questions were asked from series section. Series topic, that is the level of the questions was easy. Next comes the inequality. From inequality topic, there were 3 questions asked and the level of the questions was easy to moderate. Then last one is the miscellaneous. From miscellaneous is 2 questions. So the level of the question was from easy to moderate. So the total number of questions in this section was 35 and the level of the questions, that is or from all the sections, that is all the topics, is from easy to moderate. So the cutoff for this year exam, when compared to the previous year, the level of exam was easy when compared to the previous year. So from this we can conclude that cutoff may increase this time when compared to the previous years. So all the best for the candidates who are appearing for the exam on 12th of December 2020. Hope this will be useful for those who are appearing for the exam on 12th of December. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video and click on the bell icon. Thank you.